Hello, everybody. This is Patrick MontesDeOca once again with the live trading room, sponsored by the Equity Management Academy. What I would like to do on this segment is simply to take a look at the report that we published Saturday, October the 30th, last Saturday, as it pertains to the algorithms that we're going to use for the following week. And on the right side here, you're looking at a December silver futures chart. Let's take a look at what the report said as we came into this weekend. The December silver futures contract closed at 1553 on Friday. The market closing above the 1531, which is the 9-day moving average, is confirmation that the weekly trend momentum is bullish. But it also tells you that if it closes below 1531, that it would negate this bullish short-term trend to neutral. The additional component that we use for the VC price momentum indicator is the mean, the pivot point, or the average price for the week. And with the market closing below the mean or the average of 1579, it confirms that the price momentum came in a little bit bearish, I should say. Excuse me. But a close above the VC weekly, it would trigger weekly stops and negate the bearish signal to neutral. So you want to keep an eye at this pivot point of 1579 as it would basically negate this bearishness that we came in since Friday. And this told you that look to take profits on shorts into corrections at the buy 1 and 2 levels of 1522 to 1490. So closing below 1579 activated the buy 1, buy 2 levels of 1522 to 1490 on the weekly signals. And it tells you that go long if you get triggered between 1522 to 1490 to go long on a weekly reversal stop and use the 1490 level as a stop close only and go to cancel order. Let's take a look at the chart on the right. This is the 15-minute bar basically that we are using the chart, and the low today was 1525, and we ran up to the buy 2 level on the daily chart that we also published on Saturday. And let's take a look and just see what that algorithm was telling us for the daily signals, which is today, Monday, November the 2nd. And coming into today, it told you basically that if the silver market comes down to 1539 to 1548, that you want to be a buyer. The buy 1 level is 1548. The buy 2 level is 1539, and you can use the 1539 if you wanted to as your stop, market on the close. And what you saw here today is that we came down to a low of 1525, and we ran right through the B2 level of 1539, and we're trading at about 1540.50. This was very bullish signal and confirmation that the market rejected this lower level, and demand exceeded basically the selling pressure that we got in here coming into today, and now the selling pressure has been overwhelmed by the demand that it's found below that B2 level. And trading above that 1539 is basically confirmation that we have buyers underneath this market. This is a strong demand level, and we have to respect that. The gold market came into an 1131 to 1136 level. The low today was 1132.50, and on Saturday we expect it to come in on a low as low as about 1131. But it's suggesting that you should be buying anywhere between buy one and buy two. A close above 1136 will activate the buy one level, and it would be very bullish for the market, actually activating the 1143, which is the mean or the average for the day of 1143. Um, if we take a look at the weekly, 1144 is your 9-day moving average. And so what we want to see is a continuation of the market rejecting these lower levels here of prices and finding demand exceeding the selling pressure and basically closing, look for it to close at 1136, activating a buy to 1143, which is the mean of the VC code. Closing above 1143 to 1144 is going to activate a buy signal based on the 9-day moving average with targets of 1154. Closing above 1154 will ignite the upper targets of 1171 to 1199. And so this is how we identify the price action, you might say, that we're looking at in terms of the gold market and in terms of the silver market, in using basically the weekly swings price momentum indicator report that we publish every Saturday. For those individuals that are serious traders that are interested in the application of this algorithm, please feel free to give me a call, no obligation at all. You can reach me at 805 area code 418-1744 or US toll-free number 877-733-1511. Or you can email me at support@ema2trade.com. That's EMA with the digit number 2 trade.com. That's support@ema2trade.com. Once again, everybody, this is Patrick MontesDeOca. I want to thank you for the opportunity to share this incredible intelligence with you, and I hope that you have a very successful trading week over the next few days. Until next time, my friends, be well. I'll talk to you soon.